Okay, let's do problem number 2. This is the 1-1 practice for geometry. This is problem number 2. Use the diagram to the right to name the following. So a line containing point F. So, oh, there's F right here. There's point F. So the only line that we can see that's containing point F is this line right here. So I could call it FD. I could call it ED. I could call it DE. Since there's a lowercase letter at the end of this line, I could call it line J. Okay, but any of those other names would work. Another name for line K, well, let's see here. There's the K right there, so it's this line. Notice it's dotted right here. That means it's, think three-dimensional. It's going down through this piece of paper, this flat surface, intersecting right here and coming out the other side behind it right there. And then we can see a little bit down here. But it's this line right here. But another name for it, I'm going to use two letters. I'm going to use the two at the far ends, B and C. So we're going to call it B, C. So notice when I use the two letters that are 2 points, I have to put the little line above it with the little arrows on the end. A plane containing point A. All right, now there's only one plane in the picture. This plane right here, it's got point A. And I'm going to use the name of it, which is this M. Notice this M is not a point. Okay, I'm going to use that. So I'm going to call plane P. An example of 3 non-collinear points means not lined up points. Well, so I couldn't say D, E, and F. I've got to pick 3 points that are not all 3 lined up. Okay, now 2 of them could be lined up. So I could say D, E, and A. All 3 of those aren't lined up. Or I could say D, B, and E. D, B, and A. There's so many examples for this one. Okay, I'm going to go with D, E, and A. The intersection of plane M and line K. We already kind of talked about this a minute ago. Plane M is this flat plane right here. Notice line K is this line that's going down through it. It's hitting it right there and going out the other side. So notice that's where it's hitting it, point E. And there we have the answers to problem number